Last week we checked off a bucket list item and we visited the stunning island of Santorini, and we'll just say it certainly did not disappoint.
And we took advantage of the beautiful spring weather and made the 10-kilometer hike from the town of Fira to the town we were staying in, Ia.
This week was one of the biggest surprises of our entire trip. We're on the beautiful island of Folegandros.
Be sure to stay to the end to see John's beautiful drone work.
And don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button and follow along.
We're John and Bev, and we are the Retirement Travelers.
This week we're on the Greek Isle of Folegandros. It's about a 40-minute ferry ride from Santorini, and we'll just say it has been one of the best surprises of our entire trip.
When we booked this Airbnb, we really booked it because it was an old farmhouse, and it's perched upon the top of a cliff overlooking the Aegean Sea. Actually, from the property, you can see both sides of the island. It's kind of in the center of the island.
And when she says perched, it is perched. It is literally on the side of a cliff.
One of the good things about this home is it actually has 3 old windmills on it. This island used to have 14 windmills, but they've all fallen down over the years, and these 3 are still remaining.
Yes, and the legend says that these are still standing because there's marble foundation under them. But we'll see.
No one knows until they come down.
No one knows. Someday if they fall down, we'll find out.
Yeah, but we've had an incredible experience here. Our host has been fabulous. It's just been so charming and so wonderful, and we just can't say enough about it.
Yeah, we don't understand why there's not more tourists here. This is one of the less visited Greek isles. In fact, there's only about 700 people live on this island, and believe it or not, there's over 260 churches. But that's a whole nother story.
But they're incredible. Yeah, actually in town, the town of Chora, we believe is how you say it, Chora. On the top of a hill sits a church called the Church of Panagia, and it is an iconic church. It's so beautiful. We walked up to the top of it the other day, and the view from there is just incredible.
And we found out that it's only used twice a year, on Easter Sunday and Assumption Day, which is August the 15th.
I can see kind of why. It takes a lot of effort to get up there.
Yeah, it's a hike.
It's a hike. We've gotten here in the spring, so there are wildflowers everywhere.
Wildflowers, goats, donkeys, sheep. It's been amazing.
They really didn't have good farmland here, so they terraced everything. They built rock walls all over this place.
There are rock walls covering this entire island.
Every spot
and
you
basically
can get.
Everywhere where you could, have agricultural land, they have put in terracing and a rock wall. It's phenomenal.
It is one of the most beautiful places in the entire world that I've ever been.
Very, very, very unique.
And it is only a 40-minute ferry ride from Santorini. So if you go to Santorini, you can actually do a day trip over here. There are a couple of different travel agencies that you can rent a car or rent a bicycle or a moped and
we would definitely call this a hidden gem of the Greek Isles. We're so glad that we decided to come here. It's been a very special visit.
One of the things we were able to do while we were here is John was able to work on his drone skills.
That's right. There's no trees here. It was the perfect place to run the drone. So check out the video.
Isn't it lovely? Oh, the vibrant colors, spinning, swirling all around us, like a sea of wildflowers. It's so beautiful. Every painting in the sky, saturated in the light, so much better with you at my side. Every shade of brighter hue, I see it all because of you. Every day the world in bloom, I see it all in color. I see it all in color. All in color. All in color. I see it all in color. I see it all in color. All in color. All in color. I see it all in color. See it all in color. See it all in color. All in color. All in color.
Be sure to hit subscribe and follow along on our retirement journey around the world.